Hi, Oscar. Off we go with our shovel. Oh, I think we're running to Mummy. Oh, no. That's Mummy. Oh, into a door. The door's closed, bud. Can't go in there. All the way back over to the table again.